Apple introduced a new version of iOS 14 with many new features. We have already installed and tried everything, and right now we will quickly and without unnecessary fuss tell you about 10 new features in iOS 14. The first most important and noticeable innovation is widgets. Yes, hello applications. They can be of 3 different sizes to choose from, and are installed from the widget gallery, where you can select any available one simply and clearly. And Apple has provided one smart widget, Smart Stack, which changes its content depending on the time of day. Well, you can also group widgets into one multi-layered and large one. Another significant innovation is the application library. This is not a new thing for Android users. However, iOS 14 uses a smart app menu. It allows you to hide unnecessary program icons from desktops and group them into libraries according to thematic folders, as well as have quick access to the most frequently used ones. In iOS 14, the picture-in-picture function was implemented. For now, it only works in the browser. You can go to the desktop while watching a video in full screen, and the picture shows. Perhaps the most important and most anticipated innovation in iOS 14 is the new dialer. More precisely, a new display of calls that now appears as a pop-up card at the top of the screen. You see who is calling you, and at the same time you can continue to use the current application. Hallelujah! The series have been slightly updated. Mostly this concerns the new animation of the series. Now they also appear in the form of a small round widget at the bottom of the screen. The assistant can also send voice messages at your request. In addition, Siri can translate entire sentences into 11 different languages literally on the fly. All this thanks to the new proprietary program Translate, which can work offline and, by the way, supports the Russian language. And if you turn your smartphone into horizontal mode, it goes into conversation mode, and you can communicate with a person in turn, dictating each phrase in their own language. The new App Clips feature allows you to launch snippets of applications that are not even installed on your smartphone for quick access to various features. For example, when paying for parking in a public area, you do not need to download. The standard messenger has also been updated. Now important conversations and chats can be pinned to the top for quick access to them. Convenient conversation chains and mentions have appeared, and the memoji have also been updated. There are now more hairstyles, new accessories, including currently relevant masks. We rarely use Apple Maps, but the company continues to purposefully improve them. In the new version of Apple Maps, advanced recommendations from establishments have appeared. For this, not only the proprietary service is used,